Hi, and welcome back to phase 11. Your shoulders are getting stronger. You should be in about week 9 to 12 at this point. Again, that's very fluid, as you guys know. Stay in contact with your doctor, your physical therapist, your chiropractor during this. Do this at your own risk. Listen to your body. Be smart about it. So we're going to start on your side with the involved side up, okay? So let's go ahead. At this point, I think you should have your 1 pound wrist weights and you're able to follow along with them. If not, if you can't put a 1 pound wrist weight on, you're definitely not ready for this video. So go to the previous one or previous 3 and do a bunch of those. So here we go. So we're gonna do some external rotation. We're just gonna go external rotation like this. And at this point, this should be pain-free, or maybe a little sore, but definitely no pain. So pull the shoulder down, scissor the legs, and just give me some nice external rotations. Now we're gonna go palms down to palms up, just like that. Palms down, touch the ground, palms up, pinch it in the top. Palms down. Again, you might not be going as fast as I am. That is fine. Go at your own pace. I'm not dealing with a post-humerus fracture, that's for sure. Post-surgical, anything like that. I am just have a normal shoulder at this point, thank God. Okay, here we go. Just keep going. You're gonna feel that warm up. There's a little burn in there. And now we're gonna just stretch. We're gonna bring this up, arm up, and back, and open it up again. Feeling that all open up. At this point, you can extend the wrist and open your fingers. We're gonna feel a stretch in your forearm, in the whole kinetic chain, the bicep, the pec minor, the anterior deltoid. And then bring it back in, and here we go. We're gonna do some lifts. Again, you may be here, but we're gonna try as much as we can. Hi, kitty. We're gonna bring this up just like this. There we go. Georgie wants in on this. Just like this. Good. Okay, now we're gonna lift it up, and this is gonna take a little mental. Here, you're gonna act like this is the top, that's the bottom, and we're gonna do the ABCs. Okay, with your middle finger is gonna be your pen. So you're gonna go A. Here we go. Capital B. C. There you go. You know the alphabet. D. E. F. Need to take a break? Take a break. G. Excellent. H. Getting proprioception back there. I. J. K. L. Make them, the bigger you make these, the better the exercise. M. N. O. Give me a nice P. P. And a big Q. R. That's it. Nice big cursive S. My kids are learning cursive. T. It's kind of a lost art. U. Big V for victory. W. X, putting a big X. Y. And a nice big Z. Good. Okay, let's bring that to your side. Let's give it a little love, a little massage before we go face down. Excellent. Okay. We're gonna do the W, and we're gonna go. Head is down on the ground. You're gonna pull the scapula down and lift and pinch. Let it all the way down. Pull down on the scapula, hold it down, and lift. Good. Pull down on the scapula, lift. Drop the arms, pull down on the scapula, lift. Pull down, lift and pinch. Okay, now we're gonna double pump it, okay? Pull the shoulders down, double pump, come back down, pull the shoulders down, double pump. There you go. Pull the shoulders down, double pump, pull the shoulders down, double pump. Let's do a quadruple now. Pull the shoulders down, hold them down the whole time. 4, 3, 2, 1. Bringing it down, pull the shoulders down. 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Pull the shoulders down, go at your own pace. Good job. So let's go ahead and get into a plank position. And at this point with this video, I think you're ready for the plank. If you still want to do the modified plank on the knees, that's fine. If you want to do them here, that's fine also. So let's go ahead and we're going to do a four-way sway. So you're going to be going forward and back and side to side. So let's just start side to side. And we're going to go forward, back. I like this better this way. Good. Let's go on the knees now to all fours. And we're just going to lift one hand a little bit. Lift the other hand. Engage those abs. Lift. Lift. Feel those abs. That's a really great core exercise. Okay, we're going to get back into plank. I'm going to sway side to side. You're feeling strong now. You're feeling those muscles engage at this point. Oh, we're back. Okay, I'm going to go forward to back. Let's do a little child's pose, coming on back, stretching it out, coming forward, feeling the weight on there, going into the plank, and then bend, put your knees on the mat, coming back, stretching, coming back into plank, bending the knees. Child's pose. Back. Plank. Bending the knees. Child's pose. We're going to try something that you have to just make sure you're ready for. We're going to come into, let's call it downward dog. Just like that. Okay? I'm just going to hold that for a second. And then we're going to bend the knees a little bit and straight. Bend the knees a little bit and straight. If you feel like you're up for it, go for it. Come out here. But if you're just barely, ready to feel this, just go a little bit. Just like that. This is very self-directed. I'm not here. I'm here with you, but I'm not here with you, right? Good. So let's come down now. And we're going to take that arm like this. Just going to stretch it. So we're going to come down and bring your ear to the mat. And the other hand comes here and we're going to stretch. And we're going to kind of twist like this. So the arm is straight. You're feeling a stretch in the bicep again. The pec again. Opening the front of your body. The last thing we want is for you to be hunched forward. That is not a good biomechanical position for your shoulder. It will put it in a compromising position. So that for the rest of your life, your shoulders are going to be back and down. I tell people like you're putting them in your back pocket. So let's come back up. And let's go back into this downward dog position. Just like this. Good. And we're just a little bend. And a little bend. Posture is incredibly important when it comes to shoulders. Well, you've noticed it. You've noticed it throughout the series. When you pinch your shoulder blades, bring them back and down, you get more strength. And just a few more. Okay, and let's go back into child's pose now. So knees on the ground, straighten your feet, and just stretch it on out. Great, that was a short one today, so make sure and do 2 videos if you can. And soon you're going to be pumping iron. Keep up the good work. So happy to be on this journey with you.